Hello, everybody. Today we are going to speak about double negations. I think all of us remember the famous song of Rolling Stones, I Can Get No Satisfaction. Actually, is it correct to say like this? I can not get no satisfaction. Officially, no. Grammatically, it is not correct. Normally, in English sentence, two negations are impossible. It is grammatically incorrect. As you see, if two negatives are used in one sentence, the opposite meaning may be conveyed. So, I haven't seen nobody grammatically is incorrect. You should say, I have seen nobody or I haven't seen anybody. But sometimes we need to emphasize some thought, some emotion, some feeling. And in this case, we can use double negation. For example, there is no way I cannot visit my mother this year, which is to say, I must visit my mother. So in this case, no and cannot play the role of emphasis. They are emphatic. So use or not use double negations is up to you. Choose and don't forget to subscribe.